Well, it's that time of year. It's Advent time. So today marks the first day of Advent and gifts. We're going to go figure out what's inside this bag. So, this year to start at, normally we go youngest to oldest, oldest to youngest, but this year we're going to do whoever gets the highest number on the dice will go first, and then we'll just go, I guess, in age order from there.
Alright, I'm gonna roll.
We're going to take turns rolling.
5, 3,
So far, Dom's going first.
4.
Yes, 4. I
You're
did 4.
I know you're 4.
I did 4. and
Yes,
I
we're going first.
Two.
Alright,
Okay,
we have to get off.
let's see what's in here.
Go sit on G's.
Is it my turn? I did 4 and I can play.
What does the scripture say? It's behind the number 1.
Psalm 98. 4.
Psalm.
Psalm 98. 4. Make a joyful noise unto the Lord, all the earth. Make a loud noise and rejoice and sing praise.
I cleared up the number. Mom, look, I cleared up the number. I'm gonna clear up all of them.
Don't forget, every year there's a joke inside.
Wait, Mom, what is the white stuff for?
I think our
Just tissue
yellow
paper.
present was right here.
Oh, God.
Just
Did you already pull the joke out?
What?
Hold on.
That is huge.
Alright, guys.
Wait, what?
Dominic has a
guys.
joke.
Why does Santa have 3 gardens?
The garden gnomes.
No.
No, one for Santa, one
No.
for the gnomes, and one for the workshop.
No. So he can ho ho ho.
Oh!
Alright, Daniela, here's yours.
Didn't you guys get mints?
Yeah, here are the mints. No, just pick one. Here you go. I'll get this one.
What? I really get the little one?
Here you go.
Can I open it?
Ooh, what did you get?
Oh, I got hot dog earbuds.
You got hot dogs,
Oh, I got
Cheeseburgers.
fries.
Fries.
cheeseburgers.
Yep.
No, I can do it. It's mine.
Okay, that was cool.
Who didn't get a mint?
I got a mint. I got a small
Alright,
one.
here's here.
I got a really
Here, look down.
How do you open that?
You don't want to look at it right now.
Do you each like your headphones, or would you rather switch
I like
with
mine.
anybody?
I like mine. I like my French fries. I love French fries.
I love
I
burgers.
got
French
the.
fries. I got your favorite French fries.
I don't like French fries.
What do your mints say? They're scripture mints.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
So for the Lord
Mine says
Jehovah is my strength.
Jehovah?
And my song. Isaiah
Pass me not-
12
Turn away.
2b.
Pass me not away from the
Here, let me see it. Pass it to me.
and hope not.
this.
I don't like
Alright, mine says, "He
Okay,
that
Mom.
follow after
Hand it to me, Antonio.
righteousness and mercy." Wait, and mercy. Stop. I have to open up the.
These are really cute scripture mints that I had found at,
How do you open it?
I know how to, I just can't.
I forget where I found these at. Where did I find these at? No, it's not. Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven.
I want to get presents, but I don't want to be known.
Not me, no.
Not by might, not
Sonny,
by...
can you get me the.
What? What?
No, I'll be right back.
These are really fun. Look how cute they are.
Mom, check mine. Mom, check mine.
Did you guys eat them? Are they good?
I'm gonna get
So what does your puppy corn look like?
Alright. Wait.
What is the hefty puppy corn?
Wait.
Let her open it. Let her open it.
Alright, wait.
Just take the wrapper off for her.
I know.
No, it's me.
taking off the wrapper. No, you wanna close it and then you open it. No, stop. You have to face this way.
Turn around, Mama. What's in there?
Face this way.
There's a puppy.
Oh, look how cute that
Oh, there's
is.
more stuff.
Ooh, what is this?
Oh no, what's up in there?
There's an egg.
Oh, there's an egg?
No.
Wait, it's...
Well, it's in the egg. It comes
There
in
you
the
go.
egg.
There's plastic over it here. You want Dami to get it? Here, let Dami take out the plastic and then you can open
I
up
bet there's
the
a mini one.
No, it's going. I think it's mini.
Oh, that egg. I thought you were talking about the big egg.
It's a mini dog. It's a mini dog.
They got babies. Wait, let me see that. I don't know what they are.
Ew, Dominic, don't use your mouth.
What?
Here, G, let me see the puppy corn.
I want the puppy corn.
Oh, look how... Oh, the thing is so funny looking.
That and
Oh my gosh.
No, wait.
That thing is so weird looking. Definitely not what I expected it to be. Tiny wings.
magic color.
Alright, Daniela. Here you go.
It is sort of cute. Kinda.
Stop. Stop. Let her open it. Let her open it.
dog.
There you go.
It's a,
No,
it's
alright,
a mini
Danielle.
dog of that. It's a mini dog.
Alright, open up your...
So we are 1 day down, and how many days to go till Christmas?
24.
24 days.
Well, 24, but 23 days until Christmas Eve.
Walk a little...
Let me see this. I got this.
Well, guys, thanks for coming in and stopping in and helping us celebrate the first day of Advent. Tune in tomorrow for day number 2. Thanks, guys. Have a good night.
Show